What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update on Litecoin LTC, which has pumped up over 12% in the last 24 hours, nearly hitting $100. As you can see, currently trading at $91. So we're going to be going through its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down? Mainly covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, should you sell it and take out your profits? Or simply, should you just hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? And of course, as usual, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Litecoin go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? So, as you can see, most cryptos are down, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of that stuff, but Litecoin has managed to gain quite a decent amount of value, meaning it is one of the top gainer or the top gainer according to Coinbase, as you can see here, and the market is down just about 2%. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. In the last hour itself, it has managed to drop just about 0.5%, nothing major. Over the last day, 12% up. Over the week, 14%. Over the month, 2% down. Guys, as you can see, major drops here in late February, early March, earlier this month. Peaked back up in value, and right now, slowly starting to gain value. But over the last 4 weeks, it is still down 2%. We can see it nearly hitting about $100 in very early March. So going into the Coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone over 150%, making it $1.2 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Litecoin. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, as it's one of the top gainers. So more and more people are looking into the project, either investing or selling it, and hence why the trading volume has gone up, and I'm expecting it to pump up even more over the coming hours. As you can see, as it's pumping even higher and higher, we are going to see the trading volume increase as well over the next couple of hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Litecoin, which is here in purple at $82. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $91, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, they're not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected from Litecoin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Litecoin to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially up to about $94, $95 in target, but again, nothing major. And again, in between that time, I'm also expecting it to drop down below the $90 mark and peak up in value as well. So it's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Litecoin over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? Still looking bullish, still looking positive, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, meaning more increases in value are expected from Litecoin over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, we should expect Litecoin heading up to $100. However, I'm not saying it's going to hit $100, but getting very close to that target is what I'm expecting. And again, Just because the graph is looking bullish, it doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to hit red days in between, where it's likely to take a little step back, a little dip, and then peak back up in value, up and down. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So once again, an overall increase in value is expected by mid next week from Litecoin, potentially hitting about $97 to $98 is what I'm expecting, getting very, very close to $100, potentially hitting $100 towards the end of next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? So in this case, we are still looking bullish, still looking positive, guys, as you can see. So again, good news for Litecoin over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about mid to late May 2023. We're again expecting an overall increase in value from Litecoin, and in this point here, we should be trading around $120 to $125 in target. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's a major crypto crash or a major bull run or whatever it is, these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Litecoin, but the crypto market in general and anything like that. That's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far, so good for Litecoin, guys. It's looking very good, and it's for the long term as well. By the end of the year, I'm expecting it to head up to about $180 to $200, somewhere in between there. But again, it's quite early to judge on the end of the year, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to hit huge targets around a few months. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Litecoin, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, guys, but the thing is, we are getting very close to the resistance target here to head into the green zone, which is $126, which we should be able to hit by mid-year this year, guys. So mid-year 2023, I'm expecting us to hit the resistance target here and potentially heading into the green zone towards Q3 of 2023. We should essentially be trading in the green zone if the market manages to stay on the green side. But if it does have a major impact in negative or positive way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Litecoin, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys are predicting Litecoin to hit by the end of the year. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.